Hey gang, time to put this together. Monday morning at work. I picked up the cylinder heads this morning. Reassembled this one. As you can see, we've had them surface ground all nice and flat now. And as I always do, I leave myself some reference points. There's that one, so I know that that was exactly where the cam was. Mark the chain. I'll show you down in here. You can see. I don't know if you can see those marks there. There's a couple of white marks that I've marked the pulley, the sprocket, and I've marked the chain. So, providing I leave that right where it's supposed to be. Now these do have reference points for original setup. You can see those dots there. They would have lined up with that there. Same down here. There's another mark somewhere down here. There it is there. That would have lined up down the bottom there. But I'm not pulling all that gear off. And as you can see, I've marked the chain there for this side, and there's a mark on that one. And of course on the gears there for the camshaft. So once it all goes back together and I line all those marks up, we know we're sweet as for the cam timing. So anyways, I've got the gaskets, and I was hoping they're going to be a different design, but no, they're the 3-piece, no sealing ring, just these little raised edges and stuff. So anyway, both the gaskets are the same. On the right hand side cylinder head though, it doesn't use this oil return. No, sorry, that's not oil return, that's for the EGR. But the gaskets are the same deal. So that's my lovely day so far. So anyway, I'll get this thing back together as quickly as I possibly can. It is a bugger, but I'll get back to you. Yeah, so he said he found they were big and wobbly. And I slipped a straight edge in there, and I could slip 13th out. Feel the strip underneath it, so that's a good wallet. That's a good warp in it. So that'll all be good. Okay, so that's head number 1 on. Let's just check my marks and make sure that we got them all right. Okay, so there's my marks for the. Oh, there we go. That's my marks there for the chain and the cog. There's my mark where the cam lines up, so we know that's all sweet. And down here, where are we? If you can see it there, the front chain there, that's all lined up, so that side's all sweet. We've got the guides in, we've got the tensioner in. And that's that side done, bar the main bolt there. So when I get the other head on, I'll then tighten both those bolts up. So far so good. Okay, so all my reference marks are still where I left them. Where are we? That one there. And this one over here, and it's a little mark over there on the cam, same on that one. These are all lined up. You do have to reset the tensioners, which is not a real big deal, but so essentially it's just a matter of putting it all back together now and starting her up. So if you're unfortunate enough to have to do one of those things, well, I guess you know what you're in for now. So, have a good one. Take care. Well, we're the best part of all together now. I've got the electrician coming to regas the air. I was waiting on a serpentine belt. I'm going to put a new one on for the guy. And just got a cooling fan and a header tank to go back on it. But for the most part, we're done. Let's see what she sounds like. We'll start her up. Oh, all the cylinders are there. It'll shit out the exhaust, which is what you expect. But much nicer. Right, just finish that off and that's a done deal. Have a good one.